Hey everyone! Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to make Holi in Infinite Craft game. It is very easy and simple. So, let's get started. First thing first, take water and put in the field, and then take water and put in the water. When you do that, you will get lake. And after that, take lake and put in the lake. When you do this step, guess what? You will get ocean. After that, take ocean from the list and put in the ocean. When you do this, voila! You will get sea. Then, go to the other side. Take earth and put in the field. And then take earth from the list and put in the earth. When you do this, you will get mountain. Now, it's time to combine these elements. Take sea and put in the mountain. When you do this, voila! You will get island. Then, take island from the list and put in the island. When you do this, voila! You will get continent. Now, again go to the other side. Take water and put in the field. And then take fire from the list and put in the water. When you do this, voila! You will get steam. And then take water and put in the steam. When you do this, you will get cloud. Then, take cloud from the list and put in the cloud. When you do this, you will get rain. Then, take mountain from the list and put in the continent. When you do this, you will get Asia. Now, it's time to combine these elements. Take rain and put in the Asia. When you do this, you will get monsoon. And then take Asia and put in the monsoon. When you do this, you will get India. And then take Asia from the list and put in the India. When you do this, you will get Taj Mahal. And then take India from the list and put in the Taj Mahal. When you do this, you will get love. And then take love and put in the love. And voila! You will get heart. And then take love from the list and put in the heart. When you do this, you will get Valentine. Don't stop here. Our destination is near. Now, take India from the list and put in the Valentine. When you do this, you will get Diwali. Now, again take India from the list and put in the Diwali. When you do that, you will get festival. Now, the final step is to take India from the list. When you do this step, voila! You have just crafted Holi. Congratulations! You have successfully made Holi in Infinite Craft game. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.